Wait, Dave, stop. You gonna mess up mommy recording.
What?
Oh, you hear that? Georgina's getting her tattoo. Her second one.
Oh, I feel like it was a. Oh my god. Look, it's like a lot of bones. Like, come on. Should I put it up here? No, look at my.
Okay.
Should I put it right here? It's like bones. All right.
It's gonna hurt the same, I think.
Wait, first of all he's doing is putting the damn thing on the thing. I'm putting this on YouTube. Force or hip hop. Here we go. Nah, I'm not gonna do that to you. This is our personal video. I'm gonna show Joseph.
That was real high.
You wanna like that or higher? Hurry up, 4 o'clock. You wanna like that or higher? 4 o'clock's around the corner, remember? That's fine. I think that's fine. Don't move. Just relax. Breathe. Just breathe. It's okay? It looks like it hurt. You okay? You're not laughing no more. Concentrated? Oh, you gonna cry? Georgina, don't. Just relax. It's almost finished by the time you know it. You okay?
Hmm?
You okay?
Not okay, live.
Don't try to act like a G now. You look like you're holding your breath.